back to my channel. So today we're back, and today we're going to be playing with some slime. I haven't been playing with slime for like years now, and today we're with Dee, the Dabber Queen, the King.
Dabber King. I'm not allowed to dab though.
Okay, so today let's get starting opening them. Oh, and we also have some beads to make them crunchy. Dee has some too. Oh. Lulu's World. It's Lulu's World. I just told the camera that. Oh wow, this slime is like already at the top.
It is.
I already feel that it's good. It's really good.
I can't even open mine.
Oh wow.
I can't even open mine.
Wait guys, look at the finger.
Oh.
Guys, if you guys can see, look. So when I put my finger, when I put my finger in it, whoa.
I can't open mine.
It's like putty, like it literally
I
comes.
can't open.
Mr. Superman is gonna help him.
Mr. Superman?
Yeah.
Wait, Superman just took my slime.
No, because he's helping.
Superman. Okay. Thanks, Superman.
I'm gonna just put this right to the side. It's so beautiful! I can't stand this.
Is this silly putty?
No, it's real slime.
How is this slime? This feels like silly putty.
So putty.
Is that
It's
a good
so good. Knead it like this. Woo. Guys, look at this beauty.
Beauty and the Beast.
It's not that.
Yay!
You guys, I got some allergies, but we can still do videos. Okay.
I'm scared.
You don't have to be scared. I'm your
She might
sister.
have coronavirus, guys.
No, I don't have coronavirus.
Do you know?
Do you know? Put the bees in your slime.
Oh!
Isn't that cool? So look, guys, at this beauty. It's so beautiful.
I'm gonna pour all
Let's
of them
try
in
the
there.
poke.
The poke? The poke?
Yeah. Oh, the poke is so good.
I'm just putting all my beads in there.
Oh wow, guys, look. Look how beautiful.
Wait, let me pick mine up. Yay! Oh my!
Okay, so
Look
we're gonna
at
get all the
this.
slime.
Look at this terribleness.
It might get on your hands, Steve, but all you have to do is like kind of like knead it like this. So you take a little bit of slime, and then you go like this. You go like this to knead it, and then it won't like get on you because then it gets better. Okay?
Yeah.
Steve's like literally first learning how to play with slime, so I
Yeah.
don't judge him. Please don't judge him, guys.
Oh. I'm just a little kid.
Look how beautiful that is.
What?
Beautiful, beautiful. Guys.
Yeah. I'm just tearing out all my slime because I'm so angry. Guys. What did I do?
Guys, look how satisfying this is.
That's not satisfying at all. Oh, that's so satisfying. I was about to say that's not satisfying, but now I realize how satisfying.
You can go like this. So put it in your jar and go like this. A new fashion trend.
Oh yeah. You guys like my slime hands?
Look.
I can't extend mine.
Oh, let's try a slime swirl. Okay. So.
Slime swirl. I can't extend mine like that. Like very good. Oh wow, this is going way
So I'm gonna try
further
this.
than
I'm gonna try a
thought.
slime swirl.
Yeah. What's a slime swirl?
A slime swirl. Okay. Doesn't make much crunches, but we're okay.
Crunch.
Fine. We can live with that.
No. It makes crunches. Listen, crunch. Crunch.
That is your
Crunch.
mouth. That is your mouth that's making those crunches.
Crunch.
I see your mouth.
Crunch.
D is going.
Crunch. Crazy cuckoo.
What's cuckoo?
I'm a cuckoo clock.
Wait, nuts. I have nuts in my slime. It feels like I have nuts in my slime. Look how beautiful this is.
I'm ripping this.
Oh, and guys, we got also at Five Below, there's some jars, and we got them so I can make my slime. Probably, and maybe in another video we can make a glow-in-the-dark slime.
Oh yeah.
And maybe we can turn off the
Lights.
lights.
Yeah,
Lights.
I'm gonna shape this into a cap.
Guys, that's not how you play with slime.
Yes, it is.
No, you did.
No way. No. 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 No.
Guys, if you can even hear that.
No, they can't because the audio is very good. So obviously they can hear it. What are you doing?
You hear that beauty? That beauty is my woody. That beauty is my woody.
What?
What's a woody?
That's what I'm trying to ask. But I can't ask. I don't know what it is.
You can ask what it is.
Then what is it?
I don't know. It's my pal.
Is it your
My
like,
dad is a woody.
What? Yacht. I said yacht.
It's called. It means pal in Lulu's language.
Lulu's language, and I'm gonna
Yeah.
have to speak Lulu's
Woody.
language.
Woody is pal in Lulu's language.
Well, buddy, old Woody.
You gotta be sucked in. Gotta be sucked in.
It's water, guys. It's just water.
No, it isn't.
See? Water. It's gone. It disappeared. It doesn't
dropped
exist.
it. You dropped it.
I dropped what?
You dropped the water.
What's water?
Water is. You were literally saying it to the camera, and now you don't know what water is.
It's your doll. She made me lose my memory.
My
I
dog?
remember that. She thinks her doll can move. What the? I'm gonna put these in it. Wow.
Oh wow. Oh, did you guys hear that crunch? You have to go like this. So we're gonna stretch it. A slime tutorial.
A slime tutorial?
Okay,
What?
so you're gonna go like this. You're gonna make a slime swirl, then you're gonna tuck it under,
Tuck it under.
and then you're gonna crunch it.
Hey, I have a big smiley face. Smiley
Oh,
face.
it's ripping. This is really good. I would give it about, how much slime swirls should we give it?
15 million.
No, 10 out of 1. I'm probably gonna give it 8
11.
slime swirls. I would give this an 8 slime swirls.
I would give this a 15 million slime swirl.
I would give this a 9 slime swirls. Okay, so.
Slime is amazing, even though this is my first time playing with it.
Playing with non-sticky slime.
Yeah, boy.
Okay, let's switch slimes, and we can see which one's which and which one's cooler and that kind of stuff. So let me have yours.
Okay,
Let me have yours. Okay, you can have mine. Okay.
Oh my gosh,
Look
look at
at there's a bubble crunch it.
Seriously? I was trying to show the camera.
Wow, guys, this is putty because it doesn't really stretch.
Oh my.
Oh look, I gave later on the video I traded with D. And he has the stuff that I traded him in his slime.
Earlier in the video.
Don't do that, D. Be careful. Here, let me help you. Let me help
got
you.
it.
Let me help you.
Damn it, no. Don't fall. Okay, there you go. Oh my gosh, it's so sticky.
You want to trade? Again, you want to trade? Again, you want to trade? Again.
Let me get it off my hand. Okay. Put it. Get in there. Thank you. Yeah.
Wow, I love mine.
Oh wait, hold up.
Look
I found
at-
a diamond. Look, I'm gonna put it back. Diamond.
Guys,
what kind of
actually,
diamond.
so today I got a real emerald for free.
Rashangan. Where is it? We need proof.
It's in my mom's car.
Well, next time bring it. We need proof. And we're gonna do a video all about it.
Shiny, happy
I have a mace.
Guys.
What am I even doing? What? Oh, I ruined everything. What is that?
Okay, so we have to take a little picture, but that's fine.
Picky picture. I am picky and I don't like pictures.
Okay, so
Where's my orange one? Where's my orange one?
so guys, look.
Whoa,
So
where's it?
I'm gonna do a slime tutorial.
Oh, yes.
tutorial.
More, buddy.
Okay, so you're
What's
gonna
a tutorial?
slim it,
Is
like
it tutorial?
that. Go like this.
What's
Then you're gonna tuck it under.
Is tutorial even a
Then
plan?
you're
Or is
gonna.
tutorial?
I see a bubble.
Did you just
So satisfying. Okay, let's try again.
Satisfying, but
And
yet
you
not
guys are gonna
satisfying.
hear this
Hear
without
what?
seeing it. You guys are gonna hear this, but you're not gonna be able to see it. So yeah.
She's
So
making a
made this
giant slime swirl. Oh my. Yeah.
Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby.
Yeah,
yeah.
I ruin everything.
He ruins everything, so like exit out of his channel and go to mine. Do you know I'm kidding, little wine baby? Or I'm gonna put slime in your mouth. You're gonna eat it.
Okay.
You're gonna eat it for your dinner. Okay, put your slime in your mouth. I dare you to. Ew. Don't do it.
I will bite it.
Okay, slime swirl.
Ow. I bit it.
Slime swirl.
Lulu,
Let's
I
see
bit
if
it.
there's any bubbles.
Lulu, I got it on camera. I bit it. I got it on camera.
You did? Let me see.
I went. I bit it.
Did he actually? You're lying.
You want proof? You want proof?
Yeah.
I'll bite it. I'll go. Wait up. Oh, I hear a crunchy munchy.
Oh, did you guys hear that? It was kind of a crunch. How did yours have more than mine? You know, guys, so guys, when it's together and when it's in like the jar, like sitting there for a while, it doesn't look lavender, but actually when you're starting to play with it,
Carl, did you fart? Ew! Who's farting?
Daddy said, no, of course, Daddy, of course, Mr. Superman wouldn't fart.
Mr. Superman.
He's a
farted.
Superman. Look, guys.
Okay.
Oh, you guys can't see it, but it actually turns into a lavender color. Oh, look at that! Look at the end.
Wait, I can't fit everything. I say get in there. You better listen.
That
to
looks
what
like
I'm
you
gonna
just took some boogers from your nose, and then you just took some of your blood and some diamond and some emeralds and then a piece of the rainbow and just put it in with your boogers.
if this was boogers, this would be all mine.
Yeah, because I don't do boogers.
I guess we have to exit the video now.
Yeah.
Well,
Sorry, guys. Okay, so the
Here
end of the
we
video.
go.
Okay, the end of the video thing. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you go check out Straight Out Content. Make sure you go check out Donovan'S. Make sure you go check out Straight Out Content. Make sure you go check out Cars Garage, and make sure you go check out Lulu's World. And well, you're here. So make sure to go check out those videos. And make sure to go check out Donovan's Domain. Make sure to go check out Flash Christmas Designs.
And Donovan
I'll
Plays.
see
And
you.
Donovan Plays. Do not forget to make sure to go subscribe to Donovan Plays. We will be posting a new video soon. Like very
And
soon.
I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.
Ow! That hurt.